Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10 Measurement. So let's continue exercise 10A, convert 98 kilometers to hectometer and decameter. Now bigger unit to smaller unit. So we multiply a very easy sum. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So 98 kilometers will be 98 into 10, that is 980 hectometer. Very easy. Now kilometers to decameter, again 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. So 98 kilometers will be 98 into 100, that will be 9800 decameters. Let's continue. Question number 9. Convert 1249 meters to hectometers, decameters and decimeters. Now we know that hectometers and decameters is more than meters. So when we go to a bigger unit from a smaller unit, we will divide, and decimeter is smaller. So when we go from bigger to smaller unit, we will multiply. So for decimeter we will multiply, for hectometer and decameter we will divide. So let's start. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 100 hectometer. Okay. So 1249 meters will be 1249 upon 100. Now when I divide by a decimal number 100, I will just put the number of decimal points at the number of zeros. So 1249 two places. So I will put a decimal point after two places. So my answer is 12.49 hectometers. Okay. Now converting it to decameters, again I'm going to a bigger unit. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 10 decameters. So 1249 meters will be 1249 upon 10. Now when I divide by 10, I will shift to one decimal place. So 124.9 decameters. And the last one, shifting to decimeters, I am going to a smaller unit, so I will multiply. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. So 1249 meters will be 1249 into 10. So it will be 12490 decimeters. Last sum of this exercise, from the sum total, okay, sum means total, of 89.02 meters and 10337 centimeters, 10,337 centimeters, subtract the sum of 832 decimeters and 41.58 meters. So what do we have to do? We have to do the sum of these two digits and subtract the sum of these two digits. Now one more rule to remember is whenever you add or subtract, the units should be same. Now this is meters and centimeters, this is decimeter and meters. I cannot add or subtract the digits when they are with different units. So first I will convert the units to similar units, like this cm I will convert to meters, this dm also I will convert to meters. I will take meters as the common unit as both the numbers are having meters. So let's first convert and then add for both and then subtract. Okay, so now this meters is already there. I have to convert 10337 centimeters. Now you know that 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100 meters. So 10337 centimeters will be 10337 upon 100. Now when I do this 100 two places, so it will become 103.37 meters. Now can I do the sum of this meters and this meters? Okay, so my first sum 1 will be 89.02 m plus 103.37 m. See, the units have become same. So my first sum will be in meters. 2 plus 7 9, 0 plus 3 3, 0.9 plus 3 11, carry 1, 1 plus 8, 9 and 1. Okay, so it is 191, sorry, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 2, 192.39 meters. Okay, now I convert the decimeters into meters. So again, what do I do? Yes, 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meters. Now what is the decimeter given here? 832. So it will be 832 upon 10. Now 10, so 1 decimal place. It will become 83.2 meters. Now again I can do the sum of the next digits. Yes, that is 83.2 meters and 41.58 meters. So my sum 2, that will be 83.2 meters and 41.58 meters. When I add, there is no digit on top, it means 0. So 0 plus 8, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, my decimal point, 3 plus 1, 4 and 8 plus 4, 12, 124.78 meters. So I got the sum. Now I have to find the difference. I have to subtract. Now we have to subtract. What is it? 192.39 meters minus 124.78 meters. Now I have to subtract. So 9 minus 8, 1. 3 I cannot minus, so I will borrow. 13 minus 7 is 6. I put my decimal point. Now 1 again I cannot borrow. I cannot minus, so I borrow. 11 minus 4 is 7 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So my answer is 67.61 meters. Now after we have solved exercise 10.8, I think it will be easier to do the get set go. I did the exercise before so that I explain things, and get set go will be easier for you to do. So the basic unit of length. What is the basic unit of length? It is meters. The basic unit of mass, this I had explained already. Mass is weight. So for weight, the basic unit is grams. The basic unit of capacity is liters. Capacity is for liquids. Okay, so next, now 1 kilometer to meter. So you know when you go from a bigger to smaller, so 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 millimeters is equal to how many centimeters? Now millimeters is a smaller unit and you are moving to a bigger unit, and the difference is of 10. So it will be 1 upon 10 centimeters. 3 kg, how many grams? Now 3 kg, 3 grams will be how many kgs? Again, what do? I put it upon the decimal. So it will be 3 upon 1000 grams. Now 18 liters to milliliters. 18 to milliliters, it is 1000. So it will become 18,000 ml. I will multiply 1 liter to milliliters. 49 centimeters to millimeters. Again, I am going from a bigger to smaller unit. That is 10. That will be 490 millimeters. This get set go, you can do it in the textbook itself. Okay. Now add 43.07 centimeters and 3.1 centimeters to get the answer. So I can do it in one corner. 43.07 plus 3.17, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 plus 3, 6 and 4. So it is 46.17. I have to write the unit. So 1 cm. Okay. Now Rima ordered a cake. Last sum 3.5 kg and it was 500 grams less. Now 500 grams or half kg is equal. So what was the weight of the cake? Yes, it was 3 kg only. So now I think get set go was easier after we had solved the exercise.